Hi everybody, Mike Pfeiffer here with Pfeiffer Hobby Supply, and I'm also a member of the Southern New Mexico N-Scalers, and we're having an open house and run session, and as well as a swap meet. I don't know how successful the swap meet will be. We don't have a whole lot of tables, and I haven't had a lot of people contacting me, but hopefully we will have some people that bring something that they want to sell or swap. It's going to be at the Southern New Mexico Fairgrounds. That is, let me find the location here. It's 12125 Robert Larson Boulevard outside of Las Cruces. It's about, it's outside of Las Cruces, about 5 miles on the south side of I-10, west of Las Cruces. We are on the fairgrounds there, and we are in the White Quonset Hut. If you're coming from the east, you would get off at the Love's Truck Stop, and you would get on the South Frontage Road, and you would go to the fairgrounds and enter the last entrance to the fairgrounds, and then go straight south and through the gate that will be a little bit on your left-hand side. There'll be a chain link gate. It'll be open. You'll go in there and straight back, and you can't miss the building. If you're coming from the west, you would get off at the Boland's. There's a Boland's store there, and you would, once again, you would get on the South Frontage Road, and you would follow it to the fairgrounds and the same instructions. We hope to see a lot of people out there. We're going to be there on March the 17th and the 18th, which is St. Patrick's Day, and the following Sunday, or that Sunday. And Saturday we will be there from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And Sunday we will be there from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. We welcome people to come look at the layout. We'll have trains there that people can run if you don't want to bring something. If you're in a different scale and you want to run an N-scale train, we will have stuff there that you will be able to run. We would be glad to talk to everybody about model trains in general. Anybody can bring any scale of train if they want to sell or whatever. There's no charge for any of that, no charge to enter, no fees involved whatsoever. We do have a donation jar, and we would appreciate it if somebody might throw something in there. But aside from that, everything is free to the public. We are going to try and serve hot dogs and chips, maybe some sodas. Well, there will be sodas, cookies, and maybe even some beans and stuff. I'm not really sure what all we'll have, but we will have something there, and hopefully the day is nice. Anyway, I guess I'm just trying to put this out there, so if anybody wants to come and visit us this coming Saturday or Sunday, March 17th and 18th, we would love to see you and talk to you. And as usual, everybody, thanks for watching, and hope we see you there. In addition, I do have this diagram here. And you can see on the diagram where you would need to go when you enter the fairgrounds. The bottom, of course, is south. And I hope from this that you can see where we're located on the fairgrounds. And hope to see you there.